stopped raining enough for us to come. We're gonna take a quick photo. There's the bridge that we used to come onto Belle Isle from Detroit. This is Detroit right here. Downtown. Look at that skyline. Crazy beautiful. That bridge off in the distance is the Detroit Windsor Tunnel, so that goes into Canada. This is the Detroit River right here. Detroit's on the right side and Windsor is on the left side. Yeah, we're gonna take a quick pic. So nice. Literally doesn't even look like it was just storming and lightning everywhere. And that's the storm clouds right there behind us.
Over here.
After waiting out the rain, the skies finally cleared up and we were able to really enjoy Belle Isle. This is what we couldn't see the last time, but we got the greenhouses over here by the aquarium and the conservatory. I don't know what these houses are though. Now that it stopped raining, we got some better views of the aquarium and the conservatory. Aquarium's over here on the left. We got the conservatory over here on the right. We're gonna go take some pics over there with the kids. Since the weather had cleared, we were able to get better shots of the buildings and take some family photos in front. The architecture here is incredible with a mix of old world charm and history. Look, Nonai. Got a koi pond over here in between the conservatory and the aquarium. Got all the fish. Those are so big, huh?
Yeah! The fish are so big!
Yeah, cool. We are so sad that we came on the days when they are closed. Look how beautiful it looks. Darn it, we missed out, but the zoo was still fun. Before heading out, we stopped by the Great Lakes Museum to take photos by the Detroit River. From here, you get an awesome view across the water into Canada. It's so crazy how close the border is. You could literally swim across, although we don't recommend that.
So this is the... What is it, babe?
Who put trash in the water?
The Great Lakes Museum. It's closed today, unfortunately, like everything else. But we're gonna go over there, take a family picture real quick.
Or we could take a picture over there.
Let's see, there's a car. No, I think it's a boat. But back there is Canada. This is the river that separates it. Look at the Duskies. Period.
Unfortunately, we went on a Monday, which meant the Aquarium Conservatory and even the Great Lakes Museum were all closed. So that sucked, but even with everything shut down, we still made the most of it. We got a beautiful sunset crossing the bridge from Belle Isle. As the day wrapped up, we caught a beautiful sunset drive back to our hotel. It was the perfect way to close out our time exploring the island. What do you say, sissy? You like what?
Michigan.
Yeah, do you guys want to move here?
Yes. James, then
They didn't say yes.
they said Michigan at the same time. We said
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
I'll miss Boba too.
Alright, we are back at the hotel. We had to come back one last time before we head back to Utah. The Peach Cobbler Factory. If you're ever in Detroit, you've got to add this to your food list. Trust us, once is not enough. Just got back to the hotel. Phone died on the very last part of Belle Isle, so we weren't able to get a couple of videos of the statues and the police station as we were leaving, but it's fine. That's our own fault for forgetting to bring chargers and the battery packs and stuff. But we got most of it. Phone was able to charge in the car while we drove to the Peach Cobbler. What's it called? Yeah, we went again. We definitely had to go again because of yesterday. What's it called? The Peach Cobbler Factory. Went there one more time. Came, dropped the car off at the hotel. Then we walked over there. Tried a few different things. But let me show you what everyone got. Lamona wanted to copy me because mine came with ice cream yesterday. And it was super good. Let's show you what everybody got. Ingrid got the OG banana pudding. This is Audra. She got cheesecake in a cup. Sissy wanted to get the same thing as yesterday, so she got the vanilla cinnamon roll. I got the... Oh, this one's Lamona's. He got what I got yesterday, the strawberry peach cobbler with ice cream. And I got the caramel apple cobbler with ice cream. I need to show you guys the reactions today from everyone's first bite because I missed it yesterday. Yep. Ingrid is trying Sissy's cinnamon roll.
It's nice and warm.
She didn't get to try it yesterday.
Your daughter was raving about it. So good.
Alright. Better than your pudding or no?
No. But it's good.
Yeah, you're going for a second bite. How's your cobbler?
10 out of 10.
Yes, sir. That's why we went back. All right. Here's my first bite of the caramel apple cobbler. Oh, look at that. Some ice cream. Yes, sir.
Yep, this one's yours. Yep.
What you think? Here, you need it with the ice cream, that's why. Here. Right here, Oos. With the ice cream. You don't know if he likes it. You want a bite?
I'll take a bite.
Yours.
After what? There isn't going to be any left.
Mom, you gave mine to Audra.
Yes, sir. That's all I can say.
I'm trying Sony's.
You're trying everybody.
I don't care. I think I like this one better than his one that he had yesterday.
Another bite?
I'm sure going in for another bite.
Mom, and then can I eat my cake?
So we're gonna try Audra's. She got cheesecake in a cup. This is just the original.
Yep.
Come here, Atabu. Get in the thing.
Daddy, you can.
Go all the way down to the bottom.
There.
So you get some crust.
Mmm. Yum.
What are you eating at? Bring your stuff over here. What the heck?
Yum. Yum, Ata. Now I'm gonna try my own. Now I am going to try my own. I got the OG banana pudding. Yesterday I got a mini one, but I got the New York cheesecake one. But I wanted to get the OG this time.
Daddy, mine is yummy.
Love that for you.
Mom.
But
I thought, where's the cream
Mom.
you said I could eat? Oh, it's in the oven. Oven? Yeah.
In the microwave.
I mean the microwave.
let me get some crunch on it.
How good is it?
Look at that. I don't know if it'll focus. Yum.
What are you two doing over there? Are you taking care of your brother, sissy? You guys are so silly.
Anus.
And then we got a side-busting sister trying to join. Can you move? What the heck, dude?
Hey,
He's chilling. That's a wrap on day 2 here in Detroit. From Belle Isle to the Peach Cobbler Factory, today had its ups and downs, but honestly, that's part of traveling with kids. You just roll with it and make the best memories. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure as we visit all 50 states together as a family.